to try the challenge.
And what is your name?
My name is Layla.
All right, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. She's blindfolded because she has to guess what she's tasting. Do you smell anything?
Yeah.
You do? Okay, move your hands. All right, use one finger. Which finger are you going to use?
I
Wait, up. Taste it.
don't know.
Taste the finger that's wet.
I think this is chicken nuggets with sauce.
Did you chew anything for it to be chicken nuggets? All right, taste that. What does that taste like?
Salsa.
Alright, taste this.
Salsa.
Everything tastes like salsa. Try your other finger. Alright, taste that. What is that?
I think this is mustard.
Oh, okay. Now with this finger, close the other fingers. So I can just get one. I'm trying to get this finger. Alright, taste that.
I don't know what is this. This is sauce.
You got everything sauce. Okay. Alright, you can take your blindfolds off. You only got 1 point. You guessed the mustard crack, right?
Oh, I can't see.
Just one thing got right. Alright, say bye.
Bye. Huh?
Everybody, please like, share, and subscribe to Layla's channel.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.